what you see here is really a manipulation of facts to make it appear that that was that. But actually, they were playing with timelines. And this is one timeline that they played with, that this happened before the term of President Marcos. Some of them, at least, one picture that showed, that was used in the affidavit, would show us that it was done during the time of Lord Velasco as Speaker of the House. At least just one of them.
Ombudsman Remulla sinasabing meron daw siyang ebidensya from intelligence assessment evaluation na yung mga photos na sinadbit ng 18 Marines ay meron daw way back, pag-usapan natin way back, sa panahon ng Speaker Lord Alan Velasco when you were a Nakalsugan party list representative, di pa po?
Yes, ma'am. Well, actually, ma'am, I'm very, first of all, nagpapasalamat ako na lumabas na nagsalita si Ombudsman Boying Remulla about it. Kasi, di ba, it's a recognition na may ganun nangyayari. Now, as to the actual, ang nakuha ko, ma'am, na statement niya was may isa daw picture from all the pictures that were part of the affidavit. Sabi niya, may isa doon. 2022, panahon pa ni Lord Velasco. So, ako nagpapasalamat na sinabi niya yon, and there's a recognition na may nangyayari talagang ganon. And I think, ako naman hindi ako out to prove kung ano yung tama o mali.
Yeah.
Ang importante sa akin, mapakinggan nila yung Marines, matingnan nila yung ebidensya, hindi lang ito, pero may mga ebidensya pa silang hawak, and to listen to the, kasi there were 40 names mentioned. Actually, ma'am, di ba, yung mga Marines, wala naman sinabing crime eh. Ang sinabi nila, nag-deliver kami ng pera. Pero, nagsimula yan kay Saldico. Sabi nila, si Saldico ang mastermind. Si Saldico ang pinuno ng korupsyon dito sa, di ba, sabi ng gobyerno. And dito yung mga tao ni Saldico. So, yun yung, we were trying to establish dun sa NBI. Na kung gusto nyo establish nyo yan. Pero kung mag-investigate kayo, huwag sila imbestigan nyo. Imbestigan nyo yung substance of the affidavit.